To sew 1/4 inch wide Mexican pleats, begin by marking 3/4 of an inch from the edge to account for seam allowance and the first spacing. Next, draw a 1/2 inch wide line, followed by a 1/4 inch wide line. Continue 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch sections all the way down the length of the fabric. I'm using a marker here, but a pencil will give you more precise lines. The 1/2 inch wide sections will become our Mexican pleats, and the 1/4 inch wide sections will become the spaces in between. Next, we'll fold the 1/2 inch sections in half, stitching the lines together at about a 1/4 inch seam allowance, tacking at the beginning and end of each line, keeping 1/4 inch spaces in between all of our Mexican pleats and ensuring that we're only sewing through one pleat at a time. Make sure to keep consistent seam allowances all the way down and consistent spacing. Next, we'll get out our iron and press all of our pleats in one direction. We'll press the front and the back to help set in the seams and make sure that all of our edges are crisp. And then we'll stitch a line right down the middle with all of our pleats going back towards us. After we've stitched all of those pleats in place, we'll press all of them in the opposite direction. And now I'm going back along the edge and sewing down all the pleats again in the opposite direction of that central line, which will create this beautiful Mexican pleating effect. Here I am doing the same technique on the other side. You can continue alternating this as long as your piece is desired, and you can make your pleats as long or short as you want.